we're gonna test out this tire machine. Made it move and all kinds. Did you break it?
And at that moment,
What's up, dudes? Welcome back. Last time we were messing around with that battery tray, so it's all done, paint's dry, obviously. It's been a little while, right, since you last seen it. And it's about time to, I guess, to mount it in the car. And then that's one more thing that's off the checklist. Another thing going on today is we're gonna test out the tire machine we got because my buddy Steve's coming over. Gotta change the tires on his Toyota. So let's get in it. Next step, we're gonna throw this in the car. I'm gonna take my trusty magic marker and mark it all off where it makes contact because there's a bunch of sound deadening material in there. We gotta get rid of that. So here we go. It's gonna sit something. Sorry guys. Something like that. Where did my marker go? Oh, there it is. Got one trusty marker. Some marks right there, and then some marks right there. Bada bing, bada boom. Now we just gotta clean it, grind it, make it nice, make a good contact, weld it in. This is where you gotta be careful and don't light your car on fire.
After these messages, we'll be right back.
Oh, he's such a badass. What's up, man? Alright, I don't know how we're supposed to do this with 2 meters away. Alright, Steve's here and we're gonna test out this tire machine. I haven't actually used it before. Played around with it, made it move and all kinds. Did you break it? So it moves around, it does what it's supposed to do, so now we're gonna see if it can change tires. We got a resident professional mechanic here, Steve. He's been a mechanic for 35 years. How old are you?
No, I'm 24 now.
Okay, anyways, it's not the years, it's the mileage, right? Step number 1, put the tire in jaws.
Break the bead.
You broke the bead?
Broke the bead.
I broke the bead. Between the dog and the compressor and all the noise, I'm sorry. Gotta mix up some of this. Mostly dish soap and water because you need some sort of solution so the tire slides on the machine and it doesn't rip everything apart. Ha ha. Noise, 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 noise. And this? Put it back here or wherever you got room. I don't know. Okay, yeah. There we go. Step 1 is done. Broke the bead in the jaws, the thing. Step on the pedal, crunch. Shh.
You gotta make sure it's clamped on properly there so it doesn't jump up at me.
Kind of like it did before. I wasn't sure if it was going to go through the wall. Or if it was gonna...
Yeah. You gotta watch out there. Be dangerous.
Hey. Look who's here running the show. Just like last video, huh? You make too much noise for background character. You think that's slippery enough?
Could be. I hope so.
You just dropped the brush into stuff, didn't you?
Yeah. You gotta watch out for that.
Oh. Now you adjust this to what?
To the tire. It's like a 13-inch rim.
Okay, so you want
to be touching?
touching?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's the plastic that's gonna protect your mag from getting all scored up when you, right?
Yeah, right. That's the metal part there, so it's just like that's gonna wear down. You could like buy spare parts for it. So now, want this part to be down. We can stretch it over.
Ooh.
Same thing to the bottom. Same direction.
Just like that.
There you go. That's it.
Putting the white wall out.
Yeah, I put the white walls out.
Of course. You guys getting all that? That was taking the tire off. Now we're gonna put that tire back on. So here we go. Fresh tire, fresh start, something like that. I'm just trying to sound positive.
Yeah, usually you want to make sure like the sides here are always clean. Sometimes just like a little bit of rust or something will make it bleed. Alright, so move it up again.
Oh, that's a little better.
Okay.
Gonna walk by and kick it back. Say, oh, damn! White walls out. I like your style.
Sometimes you get the first one in it.
Boom. You is the machine. You don't need a machine. Oh, dude.
I just did it. You fucking did it.
Totally accident.
And you push in as much as you can. Maybe try to get it in the deep so it doesn't stretch the bead too much. Just keep putting pressure on it. There you go.
So now what you're doing is putting an absurdly huge amount of air in it until the bead pops and everybody gets scared shit when it gets right.
Yeah, we're gonna see if it. Sometimes it goes without having to blow it up there too hard.
Because you're trying to put 6-inch wide wheels on 12-inch wide rims. I gotta get the boom. I gotta get the boom.
Good.
Oh, there it is. Tires changed. Next up, balancing them. Have you ever used a bubble balancer before?
Never.
Okay.
The YouTube video was.
Cool. So we're gonna use a bubble balancer. Now this thing came from, I think it was like from Harbor Freight or something. So cheap stuff. We'll set it up and see what it does.
Now that your floor is not calibrated, I think the 3 screws here for put that bubble right in the circle there.
What we do is we make this thing sit perfectly level, bubble in the center of that circle. Take your screwdriver to calibrate it. Let's do it.
Perfect.
Yeah, it took us a long time, but it's pretty centered. So I'm trying to balance the tire. Actually, no, I can't lie to everybody. No, I tried to balance the thing. There's like a little spring setup, so you can really balance that little bubble out and stuff. And well, I broke the screws in it, so now it's just kind of sitting there on its own. But it actually turned out to be pretty level, so we can actually attempt to balance the tire. So let's do it. And I think those springs are so it sits low and you get your center of your hub. Could that be? It's like it's gonna drop down.
Maybe. I feel like hub's not centered.
Can you push down on it at all?
Ah, okay.
Now it's centered.
No, it's centered.
Well, you didn't have to. You just rocked it like a boat. So we're just gonna wait for it to stop. That's pretty. Yeah, that's pretty.
No, wait,
Pretty not bad. Where's one of your weights? I want to like put it on one side and see how much of a difference it makes. You know? Okay, so that thing, the bubble actually lined up very much in the center, so this wheel's pretty balanced. I'm just gonna put a weight on it and see how much that affects it. Maybe these weights don't affect it that much.
0.5 here.
0.5. Really didn't
So it
change.
pulls it out a little bit, yeah.
Balanced wheel.
What if?
The tire thing was a success. Now back to the Rx7. Everything's all lined up, mapped out, ready to go, grinded, cleaned. Gonna just weld that shit up now. Okay, so that's good. Zip. It's welded in. I'm gonna throw the battery in, put the strap on, give it the little wiggle test, make sure it doesn't shake itself out, and then it's cool. Battery tray done. So as the day winds down to an end, we got quite a bit done today. I mean, I finished the battery tray for the Rx7 from the last video, and now that's all tied up. We can move on to other things, the next step, the next thing. I can scratch something else off that list over there, and gotta keep moving forward, gotta keep moving on. And now we know that the tire machine works, and we set up the bubble balancer. So everything on that front is cool too. So already in the last few videos, well, we got more stuff done on the Rx7, progress working. We got the truck fixed, we did some oil changes, some maintenance. Got a welder now that works, and a tire machine that works, and a balancer that works. Sounds good. So every day, just trying to make everything better. One step at a time, one day at a time. Every day is a fresh start a fresh thing. Do something for yourself. Thanks for watching. Peace.